Probably one of the most important part of developing and building and creating something is test and test some more. Why is this the case? You have got to test your work. You've got to test that your work is actually performing the way it should, and it's delivering what it should before you have your work published. That's one of the biggest things that I've learned as a data scientist in the past 2 years that I've been in this role. It's an embarrassment. You don't want to get to the point where your work has been published and the client, whether it's an internal or external client, comes back and says, no, but this doesn't fit, this doesn't look right, these numbers don't add up. It's very embarrassing. You don't want to be in that position. So measure twice and cut once. Test properly. So today I had to test a piece of work that I created, and you've got to be smart about how you go about testing. You can do things manually, the hard, difficult way, or you can be clever and create a program or a little script that will test the work that you did. So that's what I did this afternoon. I spent a bit of time thinking about how am I going to test this field that I just created. It was a calculated field. How am I going to test this? Because you need to understand where you are. Point A, what did you apply? So the work or the enhancement that you did. And point B, so does what you applied, does that or what you've created, is it the same before and after? Are the results the same before and after? So you've got to think of a way to match these two to actually test if what you have performed or the work that you did is correct. So I spent some time to create a little script, and I ran it through the database, and I asked it to kick up the errors. If there are discrepancies in my values, then I can easily see where those discrepancies are coming from, and I can drill down and fix those discrepancies. So number one, test, and number two, find a smart, clever way of testing your work or checking your work instead of doing it manually in Excel. That is why I absolutely love what I do. And I hope to grow in this role. I hope to learn more, and I hope to teach. That's why I'm doing these little videos. So if you like the video, push the like button. If you like the content, please subscribe. Fellow data analysts or data scientists out there, thank you. Thanks for watching to the end. Appreciate it.